Now we are in the home page of the website and start to browse it. Okay, there is a basic definition of this website. Just people in your software, and then click find out more. It's a job search function. And is some facts on indigenous people of looking for jobs. And this is some information about the indigenous people in New South Wales. Here we come to the graph, job vacancy finder, and okay, and it shows the number of job vacancy in New South Wales, the highest number of jobs statewide is in New South Wales also, and different type of job vacancy. And here is the demand of the jobs, so I can know which job is in highest demand. Okay, and those are the features. Services, it's the employment services, some basic informations. And the employment service center finder, I think. So I can find the nearest service center in my homepage, in my home, in my living place. And okay, okay, when I move into it, some basic information about this service center will show. And different types of employment service center. This is wide chart for service providers. Okay, for different states. Okay, here also shows the service provider. And then is the latest news. Okay, the news about indigenous jobs growing. Again, research source to learn more. And the indigenous employment program. Child protection. Okay, and the indigenous culture festivals. So events, I think. And okay, and it's the contact page to the web page provider, and I can leave my questions and contact information here, and also I can phone them. There is a window for the providers basic information. 2 hours. Okay, it's some information about the website developers, development. Okay, and the pictures. Okay, I think the testing is almost finished, and also I can learn more from more information at the bottom here. And that's the first iteration usability testing. Thank you.